You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly if you want to learn more confusing names of famous places, including in the UK, in Sussex. Stay tuned. Pronounced in England as Brighton. Brighton. It can also be pronounced as Brighton. Brighton. How to say English pronunciation: Brighton or Brighton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.